Day 9 script, full video 15 idioms. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel EnglishAbhiYadav. If you love learning English in a natural and simple style, you are in the right place. Here, we don't learn English from textbooks. We learn English from real people, real conversations, and real situations. Today is day 9, and today's idioms are again new, fresh, and super practical. You will hear these idioms in movies, offices, chats, and daily life. So listen carefully, imagine the situation, and feel the example. Now let's start today's idioms. Idiom 1. Break the news. Explain. This idiom means to tell someone important or shocking news. Example. She got the scholarship. She broke the news to her family. Idiom 2. Think twice. Explain. This idiom means to consider again before deciding. Example. He wanted to quit his job. His friend told him to think twice. Idiom 3. In good hands. Explain. This idiom means safe or well taken care of. Example. She left the work with him. She felt it was in good hands. Idiom 4. Draw the line. Explain. This idiom means to set a limit. Example. He joked a lot, but she drew the line at insults. Idiom 5. Win-win. Explain. This idiom means both sides benefit. Example. They shared the cost. It was a win-win deal. Idiom 6. Give someone a hard time. Explain. This idiom means to tease or criticize someone. Example. He forgot his password. His friends gave him a hard time. Idiom 7. Go for it. Explain. This idiom means to take action bravely. Example. He wanted to start a business. His family told him to go for it. Idiom 8. In safe hands. Explain. This idiom means protected or under care. Example. She left the baby with family. He was in safe hands. Idiom 9. Keep your guard up. Explain. This idiom means to stay alert and careful. Example. In business, he keeps his guard up. Idiom 10. Word of mouth. Explain. This idiom means information shared through people. Example. The shop became popular by word of mouth. Idiom 11. Rise to the occasion. Explain. This idiom means to perform well in difficult situations. Example. He was nervous, but in the exam, he rose to the occasion. Idiom 12. Walk on eggshells. Explain. This idiom means to act very carefully. Example. Everyone was quiet. They were walking on eggshells around the boss. Idiom 13. Keep your distance. Explain. This idiom means to avoid getting close. Example. They had an argument. They kept their distance. Idiom 14. On point. Explain. This idiom means perfect or very accurate. Example. Her presentation was on point. Idiom 15. Call it a night. Explain. This idiom means to stop working and rest. If you like today's idioms, don't just memorize them. Use them in real life. Because using English builds confidence, and confidence makes English easy. This is day 9, and we are learning together every day. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to EnglishAbhiYadav, because tomorrow again, new English, simple English, real English. Learn daily, practice daily, and speak without fear.